me taku mihi atu ki te kaupapa o hashtag Peros on the Pie. Ne? He kaupapa hohonu tēnei engari. Kei noho tātou, me te pō he nui, he ao hānea te ao ai. Ne?
Yeah.
Nā reira, e tika ana, kia ruku hohonu tātou.
So many of our rangatahi are facing this thing called grooming, and a lot of them it's being done to them as they're minors. So they're groomed while they're minors, and sometimes the attacker waits until they reach, until they're legal, and then they'll start furthering their mahi with the rangatahi. But to our rangatahi, sometimes we can't reach out to our whānau because our whānau are our enablers. Sometimes if we feel we're in danger, immediate danger, sometimes we do have to reach out to the likes of the police or people in higher power. It's important that if you are feeling a certain way with a certain individual, their status does not give them the right to treat you like that. Their status does not allow, does not give them permission to be able to make you feel like you have to do something for them.